Same day in the wheelchair van, man. And if you have a wheelchair lift that you've got a DOT inspection coming up, watch this video as we're going to give you some helpful hints on what the DOT officer is going to be inspecting. They're telling the system that the door is open, not allowing the vehicle to shift out of park. When this door closes, it's going to press in on this lift, allowing for you to shift out of park. Door is open, it will. Both the outside of your parallel arms as well as the inside. Now these cannot be damaged, they cannot be broken, and they need to be properly installed. So it needs to be operating appropriately. If the inboard barrier is occupied and we go to begin it from floor level down, if it detects pressure, it needs to stop the lift. Sound the alarm and make you aware that it is operating appropriately. Attempt to go up, this cannot activate as it should. Resistance needs to be removed, allowing for that to completely close. Attempt to go and hit fold. You can hear the system attempt to fold, however it's not going to fold due to the 50 pounds on the platform. Make sure. Is your DOT inspection right around the corner and your lift's not compliant? Check out blvd.com where you can locate dealers near you that are certified and happy to get your vehicle and your lift up to compliance. Click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.